Welcome to Artisan Revival by A&K. Here, we breathe new life into raw materials, turning wood, stone, resin, and more into timeless handmade art. From crafting jewelry to carving sculptures, every piece tells a story of creativity and passion. Today, I'm bringing new life to an old, neglected wood file, transforming it by crafting a custom handle. I have to admit, the camera wasn't rolling during the crucial measuring and grooving steps. But trust me, those moments were just as vital as what's about to come. So sit back, relax, and watch closely as this forgotten tool is reborn through careful hands and patient craftsmanship. And that's the final look, ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.